Hi guys! So it's time na for our Aurora hunting. Welcome back to my vlog! Kala mo naman? Vlogger? Yeah, so punta na kami sa meeting place namin. 6:30 yung start ng tour. Dapat by 6 PM or 6:15 PM nandun na kami. And nakapagpahinga na kami ng 2 hours from our Tromso day trip. So ngayon, nagdagdag kami ng suot namin para hindi kami lamigin mamaya. Although I think magpapahiram ng winter gear yung agency namin. Nagsuot ako ng isang thermal clothes, isang sweater, another sweater, tapos jacket, puffer jacket. So 4 yung suot ko ngayon. Ikaw?
4 din. 4 taas pa ba?
Yeah, so let's go and hopefully makapag-document kami kaso medyo madilim but we will try to show to you yung experience namin today or tonight sa Aurora hunting or Northern Lights hunting dito sa Tromso! See you, bye! Kami sa meeting place, inaantay lang namin yung sundo namin. Sana hindi kami magutom kasi tubig lang yung baon namin. Kain lang tayo ng malala mamaya pag nagutom.
Saan? Mayroong
Convenience
open
store.
Okay.
As always, convenience store. Yun, namili na siya ng upuan, no? Ano? Are you excited?
Oo, nauubo ako. Yes, I'm excited. Makita namin si Aurora person.
But we can never, even if you have apps and all information, can be totally wrong. The only thing we can do is to go out and find a good spot and be out waiting. And a little bit cold. But another thing we should keep in mind that there is full moon tonight, or close. It's moonlight.
Nakakita na kami. Pero through iPhone lang. Diba? Ganda ng picture mo. Papunta na kami sa next stop. So, sana makita na namin without using phone. Tsaka, saan ka pupunta?
Chocolate.
Oh, taray, may pa-chocolate.
Wow.
Pasok ka pa.
Murong ka.
Yeah, and if you're looking around, we are close to some locals living down here. Do you see anyone standing out waiting for the light? We find it so strange. So we took the car, we drove to the hotel looking the Japanese because we never seen anyone standing out. Hope to see normal light. Leave when this starts because the good one is often 10 o'clock. Tonight it was early, really good one. I'm not sure if it's coming back, but yeah, sometimes it's 10 o'clock is the best time, but tonight it was an early show, just perfect timing for us.
Pag ako nadalas. Parang may ano.
May momo?
Oo.
Huh? Time check. It's still bulol. It's 12 midnight na and tapos na ang aming Aurora tour. I'm struggling na makauwi, makapaglakad mula sa pick-up point papunta sa hotel kasi Sobrang sakit na talaga ng sakong tumatama siya. Nakita naman namin si Aurora, pero hindi siya ganun ka-intense, pero sobrang masaya pa din and sulit yung pag-spend ng time sa labas. And ayun, I'm so grateful nung nakita ko yun, Aurora. And sulit yung tour na nakuha namin. Share ko sa inyo kung saan ko nakuha. Kung gusto niyo lang naman malaman. And please make sure na makapal yung suot nyo. Although nagpo-provide sila ng thermal suits. Ako, 4 yung suot ko. Tapos kailangan meron kayong mga heat pads sa toe, sa hands. Dapat kompleto lahat. So I hope na-enjoy nyo yung tour natin for today sa Aurora. And ayun, siguro mga 4 hours lang yung rest namin kasi diretso na kami sa whale watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.